my video. This is Halo. I'm going to do a run through for you and then we'll do a breakdown. Hope you enjoy, you really feel the music. Such a powerful, wonderful song. So here we go. Girl power and boy power. There's boy power. And oops, wrong song. Let's try that again. There we go. Hello. You want to spend this first 16 counts thanking your students for coming to class because that's why we're here, right? So thank you guys. So step, tap, tap, step and tap. Take it right. And then feel the music, right? And then perfect. We're gonna add our arms right here. It's step, hit, and bring it down. Up and down. Again. Up and down. Perfect. Really feel it. Yes. A sound. Come on. Hit and down. I am standing in the light of that halo. Good. We're going to step and hit. Make it angel. Make it step, hit, hit. Step, hit, hit. Perfect. Good. Here we go. We're going to walk it forward for 4. Take it out to the right and back to the left. Bring it on up. It's step, tap, step, tap, step, and left and right. Bring it up for 4. Good. This time we'll add a little bit of attitude. Step, hit, take it up, and back. 4 taps. Here comes our halo step. It's here. It's right, left, up, contract. Right, left, up, contract. Really feel it. One more. Good. We're going to stretch it out up to our right. Good. Left. Nice flat back. We're going to round it. Round, contract. Good. Round, contract. Good. Take it up to your right. Stretch it out. Flat back. We're going to round it. Round it here. Round it here. Good. We're going to snake it out to the right. Step, tap. Step and tap. Perfect. Good. Looking good, guys. Keep breathing. Woo! Good. Here we go. Walk it up with some attitude. Step it out to the right. Step, hit and step. Halo. Step and tap. Step and tap. Good. Again. Come on. Really feel the music. Step, hit, step, and up. Take it back. Yes. Here we go. Halo. Nice and strong. Take it up and down. Right, left, up, contract. Good. Watch that right leg pivoting. Right here. Come on. One more. Up, hit, hit. Good. Good. One more. Good. We're going to stretch it out. Take it over to our right. It's going to go forward and back. Good. This is counterclockwise. Bring it forward. Good. All the way around. Our left arm is going to follow. Come down. Counterclockwise here. And then take it back counterclockwise. Perfect. Stretch it out. The best part. Here we go. Inhale up. Nice and powerful. Take it down for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take it up. Take it down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come on. Good. That's it. Breathe. Last time. Right here and up. Good. Bring it down. Here comes that halo to the end of the song. Right, left, up, contract. Come on, really feel it. Come on. Perfect. You're almost there. That's it. Contract right here. Good. Last time. Good. Take it out. Bring it in. Right arm up. And take your well-deserved bow. Good job, guys. That was awesome. Hi, guys. Now we just did our run through of Halo. Now I'm going to break down some of the steps for you. So I decided to break it down by the type of part of this song. So we're going to start with the intro first. So the intro goes a little bit like this. Up, here, down, here. Up, here, down, here. Okay, stop. Okay, sorry, we gotta do it towards the mirror. Let's try it again. Okay, here we go.
Hi.
5, 6, 7. Okay. Hi guys, now we did the break, the run through of Halo. Now we're gonna do the breakdown of the steps. So, this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to break down little pieces of the song. I didn't name any of these steps, so we're just going to do it by the part of the song it's in. So first we'll start with the intro. It's easy. All we do is we'll start with our feet first. They tap right together, left together, right together, left together. Perfect. Excellent. Now we're going to add our arms. Here we go. When we step right, our arms go up. And they're nice and strong, and they've got that nice, perfect little angle going here. There we go. We're going to step to the right. So it's step up, step, and down. Step up to left and down. Step up, left, throw it down. Step up, and to left, throw it down. Perfect. Now we're going to do the same thing with counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. That's it. Hi everyone, we just did the run through of Halo, so now we're going to break down its steps. I'm going to break it down by the parts of this song. So first we'll start with the intro. We'll start right here. We'll start with our feet. They're going to go to the right and then to the left. Here we go. So step together, run together. Step together to the left, together, and right. And left one more time, right, and left. Now, this time we're going to add the arms. Here they go. We're going to go up and throw it down. They're up, throw it down. Good. Up on the right, down to the left. Up and down. Perfect. Now let's do it to count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys. That's awesome. Okay, the next steps I'm going to teach you are the pre-hooks of the song. There are 2 pre-hooks. The first one, you're going to be stepping out with your angel wings. And the second one, you're going to be snaking it out. So here it goes. First pre-hook, we do our angel wings. It comes in the first pre-hook of the song. So we're going to use our feet first. So here we go. We're going to step to the right. Step, contract, left, contract, right, contract, left, contract, right, contract, left, contract. More. Right, contract your chest and contract. Perfect. Okay? Now we're going to use our arms. Now your arms are nice and flowy, nice and graceful, nice and beautiful. So they go like this. Step, contract, step, contract. Right and left. Hit, hit. Good. They're strong. We really want to engage our core when we're doing this step. So it goes, so that our students really feel the crunch here. So here we go. We're going to do with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 2, 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3. Oh, I messed up. Sorry.
Go.
Okay, now we're going to do it with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and 7 and 8. Perfect. Now, our second step is called the snake. It's going to come with the second pre-hook of the song. So here it goes. We're going to snake to our right first. Snake and snake. Good. This is our upper body right here. Good. And we're going to add our lower body and it's going to tap to the opposite side. So if we snake to our right, we're going to tap left. Here we go. It's snake, tap, snake, tap, snake, tap, snake, tap. Really get that body into it. Snake, tap, snake, tap. All right, let's do it with our counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Great job, guys. Do our step with the arms this time. So here we go. We're going to take it up for 4. Add a little bit of swag into your walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to walk up forward. Good. Now we're going to take it to the right together. here, we're going to step back with our right and tap with our left, just like this. So step back, tap, step back, tap, step back, tap, step back, and tap. Good. Now notice when I'm going around, I'm using my obliques. Around, tap, around, tap. Perfect. All right, now we're going to do everything with the counts. Ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Perfect. Good job, guys. Hello. Okay, last part I want to show you guys are the two verses. So verse 1, we're going to stretch out and we're going to use our shoulders to contract. And verse 2, we're going to stretch out and use our arms to stretch. So here we go. We're going to come out, our legs are going to be nice and wide. Okay, we're going to come up for 8 counts. Nice and slow to your left. Nice and extended. Really extend those shoulders here, okay? So there we go. Once we're here, we're going to roll our shoulders forward and contract, just like this. Roll, hit, roll, hit, roll, hit, roll, hit. Good, we'll do the same thing on the right side. Stretch out. You're going to get a good, nice, long 8 count for this. Stretch, 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 and then we're going to roll, hit, roll, contract, roll, contract, roll, contract, roll, contract. Perfect, let's do it with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll do the same thing on the right side. Good job, guys. Second verse goes like this. We're gonna, same thing. Our legs are hip width apart. We're gonna stretch up our right arm first. So our right arm goes up, and it's gonna come forward first. So come forward, nice, slow. 8 count right here. You're gonna stretch it out, nice and flat. See my ankle right here. Then it's gonna come back around counterclockwise, just like that. And then it'll come back, and then it'll come up and around and switch to the other side. So it comes forward, nice and slow. It goes back clockwise, just like that. And then like a clock, it comes right back around. Right up and around. Perfect, let's do it with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome! Good job. Our last step, I promise last step, is the halo. It's the most fun part of the song. It's gonna go like this. So, we're gonna extend out to the right, extend out to the left, extend straight up and strong and contract here. So, our arms are gonna go right, left, straight up, contract. Again, right, left, up, contract. Good. One more time. Right, left, up, contract. Good. Now, when I contract, I want my foot to come up. Our pivot here. So one more time. Right, left, up, contract. Good. Now be careful not to contract too low because we want to see that contraction start up here. So we get 2 levels. Okay. Let's do it with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job, guys.